So guys, in this video we will see how to check your account AI subscription status, plan and billing information. So guys, if you want to check your Grok AI subscription status, so guys, first of all you go to the option of your profile icon. Then guys, here you see the option of upgrade plan. When you click on the option, so guys, here you see that it shows your plan, but if you have already planned, so it shows that you current plan. But if you get more information, so guys, go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, here you see the option of your account. Okay, get Grok account. You simply click of the option of manage, and guys, here you see the option of subscription, manage your subscription. Then guys, click the option of manage. So guys, here when you go in the billing section, so guys, here it shows. Okay, so currently I am using the free version, so that's why it not shows any subscription, but this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.